Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain my project on RTL to GDS flow of a 4-bit ALU. This project covers complete VLSI design flow from coding to layout. I will use a tool like iVerilog, GTK Wave, UOSys, OpenLane, Magic, and KLayout. So, in first step, RTL design and test bench writing. So, the first step is writing the RTL code. I used a iVerilog tool for this. I created a directory called ALU project. Directory name ALU project and wrote the design in alu.v design name. So the ALU performs four operations based on 2-bit operation code: addition, subtraction, and or. And to verify this, I wrote a test bench in ALU for tb.v. This test bench applies stimulus to the ALU and generates a BCD file for waveform analysis. This is the test bench code and this is 4-bit ALU design code. After RTL simulation run, verify the design AM test bench in GTK Wave. So to visualize the result, I use GTK Wave. As you can see in this screenshot, when input A is 10 and B is 5, the addition operation results is 15. This confirms our logic is working perfectly. After visualizing waveform in GTK Wave, start synthesis. Means conversion of gate level netlist to gate level design to netlist. So for synthesis, I use UOSys tool. I can also use Bamboo tool, which is high simulation tool. But I use in this project UOSys only. Once the logic is verified, we move to synthesis using VOSys. Synthesis converts our high level Verilog code into gate level netlist. And after synthesis, I analyze power, area, and timing. This is my synthesis schematic of 4-bit ALU design. For area analysis, after analysis area comes 335.321600 meter square, sorry, micrometer square. In power analysis, I check internal power, switching power, and leakage power. Internal power comes 0.00959 microwatt. Switching power 0.00 sorry 0.001320 microwatt, and leakage power is very less. So it confirms our designing project is more efficient. Total power calculation 0.02279 microwatt and very high efficiency. Very high due to low, power consumption is very low. power consumption is very low. After analysis, power analysis, speed analysis, area analysis, timing analysis, constraint analysis, go to the actual physical design from RTL to synthesis to physical design. In physical design, I use two tools, Magic VLSI and K layout tools. To visualize the layout, you can see metal layer VCC D1 and VSS D1 and a standard cell placement. After detailing routing, the tool confirm there are zero DRC, no DRC violation. In final layout, I use K layout for detailed layer by layer view and 3D visualization. And we also performed LBS layout versus schematic or DRC design rule check. This is the final layout in Magic VLSI. After zooming, DRC violation check. In DRC violation, output is no DRC found. Means no design rule check is perfectly. Means no design fault in designing of chip. And second tool is K layout. For layout design, I use two tools. First one is Magic VLSI and second one is K layout. In K layout, I visualize layer by layer. First I check first 5 layer of design. So first 5 layer design, this is. After more layer check, this is the design of layout. After checking all layers, this is the final layout design of 4-bit ALU. After giving styling, coloring, this is the more efficient chip design. We show each and every gates structure, boxes, interconnections, layout, instances, and this is the final chip layout. After this, I experiments in K layout. I see top level view of 4-bit ALU. Check DRC in K layout also. LBS. And at last, this is the final 3D view of 4-bit ALU design. Thank you. I hope you understand